Find the equation of streamline for the velocity distribution shown below. These are the velocity distribution shown, and we have to find out the equation of streamline. So this is the equation of streamline, right? So we can find out the equation. What is value of u? U is 2 dy v by 1 plus 3t. This we can write like this. Now when we will integrate this equation, we are going to get 2 plus t. What will be the integration of dx by x? It will be natural log x, and this will be natural 1 plus 3t natural log y, right? So this is going to be natural log x plus some constant, right? Natural log c, that is constant. So every term is written in terms of natural log. So we have written arbitrary constant in terms of natural log only. This we can write natural log x to the power 2 plus t y to the power 1 plus t, that is plus natural log constant. So the moment this term will come this side, it will be natural log a minus b. So it natural log a minus b will be natural log a by b, right? So this will be equal to natural log c. So this term will become, see, since natural log is both sides, so we can cancel out 1 y plus y to the power 1 plus 3t, and that is equal to constant. So from here we can find out the value of y to the power 1 plus t will be equal to x to the power 2t divided by some constant. So y will be equal to x to the power 2 by t divided by 1 plus 3t divided by some constant to the power 1 over 1 plus 3t. Now if I analyze the third option, which is y equals to a x to the power 2 by 2 plus t divided by 1 plus 3t, sorry, this is x by b, right? This is the value. Now see, this we can write like this: a divided by b to the power 2 plus t by 1 plus 3t, right? And x to the power 2 plus t divided by 1 plus 3t, right? Right. So again this is complete a constant, right? We can write this as y equals to some constant, say c to the power x, x to the power 2 plus t divided by 1 plus 3t, right? So again this is the same thing, right? X to the power 2 plus t divided by 1 plus 3t, and this 1 over c to the power 1 by 1 plus 3t can be again written as some constant, right? So the correct answer is C.